Hello student, welcome to all of you. Student, this is lesson 9. In fact, this is a poem and this poem is composed by the great Indian personality Rabindranath Tagore. And I'm sure you all are aware of this name because our national anthem is also written by him, and he is the person who got the Nobel Prize for his great work Gitanjali. So here is a poem that was composed by him. So let's see what he is trying to give us message through this poem. So first line of the poem is where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. So the first stanza of the poem is saying that the poet is thinking about a country, and also he is motivated his countrymen by saying that I am thinking about a country where the head of my countrymen should always free from all kind of fearness and their head always held high, and a country should be like such where knowledge is free, there is no any kind of restrictions, foundations of upon the knowledge, where the world has not been broken up into fragments but narrow domestic walls. And also in the second stanza, he is saying that I am thinking about a country where a country that should not be divided in short pieces, in different pieces, and yeah, a country that should be divided by the domestic walls, narrow domestic walls like caste, creed, community, states, and like so, where words come out from the depth of truth, and the words sentence and the promises should come from the heart of the peoples, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfections. So where tireless, where the countrymen should always try always to make is to make their motherland make perfect. They always, the countrymen always try to do work for the development of their country, where the clear stream of region has not lost its way into the dairy desert sand of dead habit, and the countrymen's good thinkings, broad thinkings should not lost away in the bad habits like and what kind of bad habit, bad dairy desert, यानी कि the poet compared the bad habits with the dairy deserts, यानी कि जहाँ पे लोगों की सोच, अच्छी सोच बुरी आदतों से खराब ना हो जाए, where the mind is led forward by the into ever whitening thoughts and action, and the mind should open in the direction where the good thoughts and action come forward into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. And in the last stanza of the poem, the poet is pleasing and requesting to the godfather, yeah, you can say mightiest of the mitre, by saying that God, in this direction where the knowledge is free, where the head is always held high, and where the country is not divided between the language, caste, creed, community, and the always people try to do something good, perfect for their countrymen. I am thinking about that kind of country, and my God bless us this kind of environment in our country. So this poem that is written by, that is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. This poem is for the Indian people. You can say for all of us. And this poem was also composed when India was under the British rule. So this is a kind of motivated poem that was composed by him for the countrymen. So student, I want that you all learn this poem by heart and also write this poem, and as well as with the poem you also have to do a work, and that work is that you have to write a short essay on this personality Rabindranath Tagore. So what you have to do, you have to write this poem in your copy, and with the poem you also have to write an essay on Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you. Now learn this poem, read again. Thank you.